Hey guys, I want to show you my pool cleaner. This is pretty cool. Look. This here is battery operated, plugs in, charges, has a net inside. Everything gets brushed as you're going over it. It gets sucked into that hole, gets caught in that net. I'm gonna hook it up with this pole, and then I'll give you an idea how it works. Okay, it's all hooked up to the pole, getting ready to put it in the pool. I'm gonna turn the switch on. You can hear it. Put it into the pool, almost all the way in. You leave those little air vents out. Okay, so now you can go underneath, and what that's doing is just pulling all the water through from the bottom, which then is going through the net. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that dirt on the edge. But it picks up everything on the bottom, and the battery lasts a while. Come back this way. I'm going to zoom in here just so you can see that right there. Let's go there first. That's the bottom of the incline of the pool. So of course that usually is where everything gets dropped. You see that's clear. I'm going to do another pass here. It picks everything up, another pass. And I just go straight out, then I just come back in case it missed anything. Usually it doesn't, but it doesn't hurt to do a second pass on your way back. Watch right there. As you can see, it grabs everything. Here. I'll finish the pool and then I'll come back and show you all the garbage that it picked up. Alright, just pulled it out of the pool. I'm going to shut the motor off. I'll take the extension pole off now. Alright, this is the unit. You flip this up, this gets caught there. Okay, that releases it from here. There's your chamber. This is just, that's the vacuum, and that's how it gets pulled straight up this way. And then of course it just travels. So now I'm going to try to do this with the phone in my hand. You basically just take these tabs off. Then see all that stuff in there. Sometimes you get a little bit of dirt in here too. So I'll take these two. I usually won't undo it like this until I get in the house, and then I'll put it in the sink or the bathroom, the garage sink, and rinse it all out, clean it, and then I always keep one right out here on the pool deck, clean and dry, ready to go. So I will swap that out, put the wet one out here, let it dry, and then ready to go the next time. But the pool's nice and clean. A couple of little specks down there, but that's just marks left and probably little rust stains, but it picks everything up.